Welcome everyone in today's video of Quick Guide.
In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Olymp Trade app in your mobile device. For this, you need to first open your Play Store and in the search bar of the Play Store, search Olymp Trade app in the search. As you can see, there is Olymp Trade trading in the search result of the search. Simply click on the install button. The download process has already been started in my mobile device. It needs some time for the installation process to complete. Just have patience. Finally, the installation process is complete in my mobile device. The app has already been installed. Let's check it out the app in the app section. And there it is. The installation process is complete and the app is installed. If you find our content helpful, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.